Resort po. So by the way, my name is Leia, your tour guide, and our driver po si Kuya Juni. So yung tour natin po is 45 minutes to an hour. Meron po tayo 3 stopover. Assist din naman kami ng mga tour guide po. So let's start. On your left side po yung mga huts nakikita, and it's catch tilapia or St. Peter's fish and hito or catfish. We'll provide you fishing rods and baits. It's up to you po kung dalhin nyo na po pauwi or ipapaluto po dyan sa may fishing. So once na-catch na ang fish, consider as well na po siya, bawal na siyang ibalik. Baka lumutan na yung isda after. Sayang naman. Tapos, ano siya ma'am, consumable din po siya. Part po siya ng entrance po. So this one is our deer pen, this is extension of our deer park. So deer in English, usa in Tagalog, binaw in Bisaya. Binaw. Okay. So on your far right side naman po yung mga cottage naman is our Vista Cottages, our deluxe type of room. Can accommodate 2 person po yan, perfect for lovers, honeymooners, and couples. Okay. Now, pwede din sa magkakaibigan lang muna. Okay. So hawak tayo, we're going down po. On your left side naman is our deer park. So dyan po nakatira yung mga deer po. So mga deer, they are considered as endangered species. Here in Eden, we are propagating them. Pinaparami po silang lahat. So that's why there are dark brown and small po, because they are native only here in the Philippines po. Ayan, which is nanggaling pa po yan sa Mindoro. So nag-start dito sa Eden po ng 2 pares, and now there are more than 30 already. Pero yung more than 30 na yan, di natin lahat makikita talaga dito dahil nag-roam around sila all over the place para maghanap ng pagkain. So there are more on green grasses po, which is our Eden, ang binibigay o pinapakain sa kanila is yung mga lettuce po or mga waste or reject na mga vegetables and mga kamatis or pipino po. Kung sa isip niya sila ay social, ay totoo po yan. They are vegetarian. Palatos na ito pasasala lang sa the hydroponics greenhouses. Hydro means water, ponics is working, so water working system po siya. We do not use chemicals or pesticides. Lahat po yan ay organic. Sabi nga nila, don't panic. Ayun, alam ni madam. So, hindi rin po siya ginagamitan ng lupa. Instead, we use the coconut husk, the padres one, or giniling na bunot. Bali yan po nag-hold sa mga roots ng mga lettuce. So, we have here the Lucif lettuce. The other side is a bok choy. If you want to buy pop, and on your left side is our mangosteen orchard, the mangosteen grove. Mangosteen. So actually yung puno talaga ng mangosteen is matataas po. But your Eden is maliliit at yung mga sanga niya ay pantay-pantay. Pinuputulan or tinitrim po yan nila para madali na lang po yung pag-harvest. So the total cover ng mangosteen here in Eden is 3 hectares, 3 hektarya po. Hindi lang po yan. We can see also later at the forest area. So kaya po walang bunga dahil ang season po is August and September. Kadayawan Festival po. Opo, marami po. Dito po, per kilo nila is 20 pesos per kilo po. Opo, kapag season. Opo. Wala na lang pamigay po. Ganun po siya. Ayan. So, itong puno na mataas, that is our native durian po. So, ang native durian, kapag native po, mataas ang puno, pero yung bunga niya ay maliliit. Pero yan po, pinakamasarap at pinakamatapang na variety ng durian. So, we are now here in our first stop over ang flower garden. So, we have different varieties of flowers here, both locals and imports po. Since this is our first stop over, I'll give you 5 to 10 minutes para mag-picture taking. So, reminders na sa mga plantitas and plantitos. No picking flowers in this area po, baka kayo maiwan at maging gardener po dito. Ayan. So, mag-group muna po kayo lahat, and after that one, we'll give you time to roam around the area. Doon tayo sa may rainfall. Let's go down, everybody!